This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for March 11th, 2019. Corn market down 2 today, beans down 6, wheat market down 3 in Minneapolis, down 11 in Kansas City and Chicago. So more of the same for the grain markets. Obviously, market not too concerned about spring weather yet. We've got more snow on the way, unfortunately, here Wednesday into Thursday across a lot of the northern plains once again. But I really don't think the market will start taking too much notice until we start seeing us closer to April 1st and the possibility of the amount of snow we are still going to have on the ground at that point. But we're still a ways off from that, and a lot of the forecast models can change and warm up towards the end of the March and get rid of the snow quickly. But unfortunately, we're not seeing that trend right now. We'll see how the market reacts to it as we work ahead. But manage money, liquidating a lot of contracts. This is a washout phase. This is not uncommon this type of year, so be cautious panicking into it too much. We do see optimism here as we work into spring about recovering a good chunk of these portions back, at least for the corn market, and beans depend very much on the U.S.-China negotiations. Really no news on those fronts today, and I think that's a limitation. We did have a private sale today near 1 million metric tons of beans and still finished lower on the day. Feeder cattle down 172.5, live cattle down around 70, hog market up over $2 today, which was encouraging to see. Hog market looking at Chinese prices at a 14-month high and accelerating here at this juncture. So again, we're seeing that undertone there. Maybe start to wake up the hog market over here domestically. We said that's something we were looking for if we saw U.S.-China negotiations improving to some degree. So we'll need to watch that backdrop a little bit there. Might be part of the reason beans have hung on better than corn and wheat here to this juncture. But feeder cattle, live cattle, kind of a give-up day, and with the winter storm coming, I think some are disappointed live cattle didn't bounce back. But we'll see how cash shows up and see just how this winter storm shakes out. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.